Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must own Rocket League on the platform that sells the Chevrolet Corvette item and have credits or tradable items ready. Once done, link your Epic or platform account so inventory syncs. This prevents lost purchases. Next, open the in-game item shop and check featured bundles because the Corvette often appears there. Make sure your wallet or inventory balance covers the price, and prepare to use quick payment or trade offers to secure the purchase immediately. Once you've set up accounts and funds, you proceed to acquisition. First, monitor the item shop and blueprints. Corvette variants show up occasionally. Buying immediately avoids price spikes. If not available, search community trading channels and verified marketplaces. This gives access to specific decals or body types. Make sure to vet the seller, inspect screenshots, and confirm platform compatibility to avoid account issues. Use filtered searches and set price alerts, because timing often saves you 10 to 50. To finish, complete the payment or accept the trade and immediately confirm the Corvette appears in your garage. Equip it and adjust paint, decals, and loadout. If you redeemed a blueprint, make sure the crafting process finished. Crafting can take a moment. If the item does not show, relog to force inventory refresh, check your linked Epic or console inventory, and verify transaction history. If issues persist, contact support with transaction ID and screenshots. They can restore purchases or flag problematic trades quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.